Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through caesar-cipher, which is a problem under string section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. Here is the problem statement. Julius Caesar protects his confidential information by encrypting it using a cipher. Caesar-cipher shifts each letter by a number of letters. If the shift takes you past the end of the alphabet, just rotate back to the front of the alphabet. So what does that mean exactly? We are going to receive a string as input, and for each of the letter of the string, we are going to perform a shift based on the another cipher we are going to receive. Here we have the rotate is plus 3. So for each of the character, we are going to shift 3 character to the right. And if by shifting you reach the end, for instance, if here if you want to shift from Z to the next one, you see Z is already the end, so you need to start back from A. So this is the operation we need to perform to apply the encryption of the data. For instance, if you have this as input, this is what we should have as output. So you encrypt the T, H, and going, you see the special character, which are not lowercase or uppercase, you should leave them as they are. So you only care about alpha letters. So what will be our approach of solving this? Like I always said, if you haven't solved this, I really encourage you to do that. And if you haven't subscribed also, I encourage you to subscribe to not miss the other video, not miss what we are doing in this channel. So what will be our approach? So my approach of solving this will be, first of all, reading the string. Once I will have the string, I'm going to read the cipher. Once I have the cipher, I'm going to look through the string by address because I want to return the same string. For each of the letter, I will check if it's alpha. If it is alpha, what do I mean by alpha? If it's lowercase or uppercase, then I apply the shift. If not, I just move to the next letter, and at the end, I will return the string. So without wasting time, let us have the look of the implementation of what I just described as approach. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. What the hell is happening? I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to get rid of this. Now, like we said, the first thing is that we need to have our string, and then we need to have our cipher. The first element we have as input is the size of the string. We are not going to use that, but we need to read it in order to read the other elements. So I'm going to read it like this. Read the string, and I'm going to read the cipher at the end. I'm just reading the size of the string here with the cipher because I don't want to create another variable for that, and this will erase the previous value that has been read here. So no problem with that. So now the second thing is that I'm going to look through the string. You can use this. I'm going to use through the string, and if it's alpha is actually a function that helps you to compute if a given letter is a lowercase or a uppercase letter. So if we are here, that means it's something we need to encrypt. If it's not an alpha, we don't need to encrypt, so we just move to the next one. So what we are doing is that, let me write it down. Let me write it down. I'm going to explain you what this couple of line of code is doing. Plus my cipher. So at the end of this, I'll be able to up the S. So what I'm doing is, like I was saying, I'm looping through my string, and I'm checking if it's alpha, so if it's either lowercase or uppercase. Now, for me to perform the encryption, since I want to handle the lowercase and the uppercase in one instruction, I'm taking the first letter of the possible letters, which will always be either capital A or lowercase a, depending on if it's upper. So if the given character is an uppercase, so the beginning will be capital A. If not, it will be capital, it will be lowercase a. This C minus A represent the distance in between A and the first and the letter, the given character. So if we have maybe D, you see the distance in between A and D will be actually 3. And you just add the cipher to that distance and you compute the modulo operator. So what we are doing is that if we are able to have the first character, we have the distance in between the first character and this given character where we are, we can append the cipher that will increase the distance between the first character and the given letter. And if the distance is greater than 26, then we should start back from 0 from the distance. The distance should start back from 0. That's why we are applying the modulo operator. So I hope it's clear for you. Let us run and see what it gives. See, we have a congratulations. Let us submit our code and see what it gives. We have everything green. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was about performing encryption of a string using cipher and rotation, string manipulation. I hope you enjoy it. I will really enjoy having your feedback, your comment on this. If you have something to share, don't forget to place it on the comment center on the video. Ciao.